YouTube, Facebook, Daryl Worthy here with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning. We are cleaning this hallway now. All right. Well, that's good steam. Alright, I was looking for the light switch. Well, you can actually see the colors of the carpet. The different colors in there. A little bit of purple, blue. It's nice. All right. All right, that dirt is just coming right up. Look in that window. See that dirt going in there? Wow. You can see the appearance of the carpet change as I clean it. All that dirt coming out. Okay, here's the floor. We stripped it. The floor is drying up. By the time I finish doing this hallway, I'll come in here and put the coat of sealer down, 2 coats of sealer and about 3 coats of wax. Boy, and that's going to be nice. The floor is going to look brand new. All right. Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.